Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson DC29. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson DC29 is making a strange noise, it can be quite alarming. This symptom often indicates an issue with the motor or a blockage somewhere in the system. If left unchecked, it can lead to further damage, ultimately resulting in a costly repair or complete failure of your vacuum cleaner. Addressing the problem sooner rather than later is crucial to keep your device running smoothly. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor, and a pair of pliers. Now, let's get into the step-by-step repair process. First, ensure your vacuum is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Carefully turn your Dyson DC29 upside down and locate the screws securing the base. Use the appropriate screwdriver to remove these screws, taking care to keep them safe for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently pull the base away from the main unit. You should now see the motor compartment. The strange noise is likely coming from the motor itself, which can often be identified by a grinding or rattling sound. To locate the motor, look for the circular component in the center of the compartment. Once you have identified the motor, disconnect the wires attached to it. Be gentle when pulling these off to avoid damaging the connectors. After the wires are free, use your screwdriver to remove any screws holding the motor in place. Remember to note where each screw goes, as they may differ in size. If you feel it's getting too tricky at this point, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the motor is unscrewed, you can carefully lift it out of the compartment. Take your new motor and place it in the same position as the old one. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier, ensuring it fits snugly. Next, reconnect the wires to the new motor, ensuring each connection is firm and secure. Once everything is reassembled, carefully reattach the base of your Dyson DC29, securing it with the screws you set aside earlier. Make sure everything is tight but do not over-tighten, as this could cause damage. Finally, plug in your Dyson and test it to ensure the strange noise has disappeared and it is operating smoothly. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly check for blockages in the hose and filter. Keeping your vacuum clean and well-maintained will prolong its life and performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.